Singapore is one step closer to being an advanced manufacturing hub for pharmaceuticals. And it comes on the back of an announcement that French drug maker Sanofi is expected to set up a vaccine production centre here. When it's ready, the $600 million facility is tipped to be one of the most technologically advanced in the world. Now for more, Vincent Hingot, a senior vice president and head of global vaccines industrial affairs at Sanofi Pasteur, joins us. Mr. Hingot, tell us more about the various types of technology that are going to be in place.
So thank you, Steve, to have me tonight with you. So when you talk about technology for vaccines, you have to make a clear distinction between the technology that are used for the process itself. And for vaccines, it's a wide variety of technological platforms, such as bacterial fermentation, viruses fermentation, cell culture, and all this kind of different technology platform. And to help actually to operate such kind of platform, other technologies now has made a tremendous improvement since the last few years, what we call the single-use technology. We have, let's say, plastic bag or disposable bioreactors and all of this that we can use now, and this is facilitating the process and all of the operation. And obviously, Sanofi is really willing to improve the overall digital solutions that we can put to help such kind of processes.
And share with us, if you will, how these advanced manufacturing technologies might translate into better outcomes for end users.
Yeah, thanks for the question. So again, with such kind of technologies, meaning single-use technology and really the digital, we can improve the flexibility, the agility of manufacturing assets by reducing the cycle time, but also increasing the compliance within a highly regulated industry. And if you do all of this, actually you will increase the throughput of your facility and your factory, and therefore, at the end of the day, you will put much more vaccines on the market for the patients.
And Sanofi, as we understand it, is setting up here in part because of the access to skilled talent. And you're looking to fill 200 positions. So who are you looking for and what skills would they need?
Okay, listen, for such kind of facility, we need to have, let's say, classical skills that we are having in other facilities, from the shop floor operator to the maintenance people, to the engineer, to the quality control, to the microbiologist with a quality assurance background. But what will make a difference over here is, again, linked to the flexibility, agility that we want to put, and thanks to digital, again, that Sanofi wants to put there, we need to have people that are minded for digital, for manufacturing 4.0, and also that are skilled to face the issue that we will encounter with such kind of new technology to set up the system.
The plant here in Singapore, Mr. Hingot, is also going to be able to produce mRNA vaccines. Talk to us a little bit about that technology, because Sanofi has two potential candidates for COVID-19, two vaccine candidates, which they're using the mRNA technology. Can you explain to us a little bit about the potential of this technology?
Well, listen, yes, that's true that Sanofi is working on two candidates for COVID-19, one based on recombinant protein and the other one based on the mRNA technology. But mRNA technology for sure is helping to, in a way, to save the world regarding COVID-19, but will offer also other opportunities. Other new kind of vaccines to target new diseases will be, let's say, made by the mRNA technology that will offer let's say, as I said, opportunities for new vaccines, but will bring the regulatory pathway in this highly regulated industry much more easy for the next vaccine, new vaccines. But keep in mind that actually not all vaccines will be able to be produced with the mRNA technologies, and especially the current portfolio with, let's say, basic vaccines like pediatric combo, meningitis vaccine, and all of this won't be able to be produced by mRNA technology. So mRNA will offer other opportunities, but we still have to keep an eye on current, let's say, technological platform.
And just quickly, the plant will house several fully digitalized modules that allow the production of vaccines simultaneously. Tell us quickly about that.
Well, okay, again, thanks to digital and also, as I said, the single-use technology, the flexibility and the agility that we will have in this plant will be, let's say, a first of this kind. It's not existing in any other vaccines manufacturing plant in the world. Again, we will be using the plug-and-play technology, meaning that, yes, different vaccines from different technology platforms will be able to be produced in parallel in the facility that you can see on the screen right now.
Very well. Many thanks for your time this evening. Vincent Hingot, Senior Vice President and Head of Global Vaccines Industrial Affairs at Sanofi Pasteur.